The world is changing. Money is changing too. In this digital age, the way we perceive and use money is undergoing a significant transformation. Traditional currencies are being complemented, and in some cases, challenged by digital alternatives. Cryptocurrency is at the forefront of this revolution. These digital currencies, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, are not just a trend, but a fundamental shift in how we think about and use money. They offer a decentralized and secure way to conduct transactions. It's a new way to think about money and finance. Unlike traditional money, cryptocurrencies are not controlled by any central authority. This decentralization means that transactions can be more transparent and less susceptible to fraud. More and more people are using it every day. Cryptocurrency offers exciting possibilities. From buying a cup of coffee to making international transfers, the applications are vast and growing. Businesses are starting to accept cryptocurrencies, and financial institutions are exploring their potential. It has the potential to change how we bank, invest, and do business. Imagine a world where you can send money across the globe in seconds without hefty fees, or where your investments are not tied to the performance of a single economy. This is the promise of cryptocurrency. This new technology is complex, but understanding the basics is easier than you might think. At its core, cryptocurrency relies on blockchain technology, a secure and transparent way to record transactions. Learning about this can open up new opportunities for personal finance and investment. This essay will guide you through the fundamentals of cryptocurrency, providing a clear and concise overview for beginners. Whether you're looking to invest, use it for transactions, or simply understand what all the buzz is about, this guide will help you navigate the world of digital gold. Let's break down the digital dollar. Cryptocurrency is like a new kind of digital money that's really shaking things up. Picture digital money that's safe and doesn't rely on banks or governments. It runs on something called blockchain, which keeps everything transparent and secure. So, in simple terms, that's cryptocurrency. These digital assets are decentralized, meaning no single person or organization controls them. Think of them as virtual tokens, protected by cryptography. This security makes it super hard for anyone to mess with the transactions. Cryptography is like a complex system of codes and puzzles, making it nearly impossible to fake. This ensures that each transaction is legit and secure. Imagine you have a digital wallet, and instead of dollars or euros, you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another cryptocurrency. These wallets can hold different types of cryptocurrencies. You can send this digital money directly to anyone, anywhere in the world, without needing a bank. Transactions are quick, often just a few minutes, and the fees are usually much lower than what banks charge. The value of cryptocurrencies can go up and down a lot, making them both an exciting investment and a bit risky. Many people trade cryptocurrencies on different digital marketplaces. Like with any investment, it's important to do your homework and understand the market. Cryptocurrencies are still pretty new, and their future is still being figured out. Despite the risks, cryptocurrencies are becoming a key part of the global economy, offering new ways to transact and invest. They represent a move towards a more digital and decentralized financial system. Cryptocurrency's security and transparency rely on a revolutionary technology called blockchain. This technology is the backbone of all digital currencies, ensuring that every transaction is both secure and transparent. Imagine a digital ledger, recording every transaction across a network of computers. This ledger isn't just stored in one place, it's distributed across a vast network, making it decentralized and resilient against tampering. This ledger is constantly updated and accessible to everyone. Every time a transaction occurs, it is recorded in real time, ensuring that the information is always current and accurate. Each transaction is grouped into a block, linked to the previous block, forming a chain, hence, the blockchain. This chain of blocks creates a chronological order of transactions, making it easy to trace the history of any transaction. This system ensures transparency, as every transaction is traceable and permanent. Once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be altered or deleted, providing a clear and unchangeable record. It also makes it incredibly secure because altering a transaction would require changing the entire blockchain across countless computers, making it practically impossible. This decentralized nature of blockchain means that no single entity has control over the entire network, adding an extra layer of security. Blockchain technology isn't limited to cryptocurrencies. Its applications span across various industries, from supply chain management to healthcare, providing secure and transparent solutions to complex problems. The global network of blockchain users ensures that the technology continues to evolve and adapt to new challenges. Cryptocurrency transactions are all about cutting out the middleman. It's like sending an email directly. You don't need a post office. When you send cryptocurrency, your transaction is broadcast to the network. Miners, who are like digital accountants, verify and add your transaction to the blockchain. They solve complex mathematical problems to secure the network and get rewarded with cryptocurrency. This process is called mining. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, created in 2009. It remains the most famous and valuable. But many other cryptocurrencies have emerged, each with unique features. Ethereum, for example, allows for the creation of smart contracts, self-executing agreements written in code. Litecoin offers faster transaction times. The cryptocurrency world is diverse and constantly evolving. Cryptocurrency's uses extend far beyond just buying and selling. It's being used to create new financial systems, build decentralized applications, and even power online games. People use cryptocurrency for international money transfers, often with lower fees than traditional methods. Others invest in it, hoping its value will increase. The possibilities are vast and constantly expanding. Section 7. The Future of Finance. Cryptocurrency's potential impact. Cryptocurrency is still in its early stages. It's like the internet in the 1990s. Many believe it has the potential to revolutionize finance and beyond. Imagine a world where international payments are instant and nearly free. A world where access to financial services is no longer limited by geography or economic status. Cryptocurrency could make this vision a reality. Section 8. Getting started. Your first steps into the crypto world. Starting with cryptocurrency is easier than you might think. Numerous online platforms, called exchanges, allow you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. You'll need to create an account, verify your identity, and then you can start trading. Remember to store your cryptocurrency securely in a digital wallet. It's essential to research and understand the risks involved before investing. Section 9. Risks and Challenges. Navigating the crypto landscape. While exciting, the cryptocurrency world is not without risks. The value of cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, experiencing rapid price swings. Security is paramount. Scams and hacks can occur, so it's crucial to choose reputable exchanges and secure your digital assets carefully. Regulation varies globally, and the legal landscape is still evolving. Section 10. Conclusion. Embracing the future of finance. Cryptocurrency represents a paradigm shift in how we think about money and finance. While still in its early stages, its potential to create a more open, accessible, and efficient financial system is undeniable. As with any new technology, understanding the basics is essential. By grasping the fundamentals of cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and its potential applications, you can navigate this exciting new world with confidence and potentially benefit from the opportunities it presents.